guys, welcome back to Car Tubers. Today we're going to talk about Mr. Tyler Hoover. He is showing off his SLS, and he's supposed to be reviewing it next to Ed Bolands. You see, is at Ed's mansion here in Atlanta. That he's supposed to be comparing it to Ed's. There it is. What's it called? SLR, McLaren. And so, because Ed just bought this SLR, it's Paris Hilton's old car. Can you believe that? It's the one from the mid-2000s where they've had, it was Britney Spears in it. She got a DUI. Paris Hilton got a DUI in it. And let me see if they have a picture. Here's the picture. So you know, they were all younger back then. So yeah, they're gonna do a little comparison test, but you can't do it because Ed's SLR is in the shop. Apparently, the SLR is super high maintenance. Everything's expensive on it. Tyler wanted to buy one a few years ago, but Ed talked him out of it, and then Ed goes and buys one. So let's go to the shop and check it out. Here they are driving to the shop. So here's inside the SLR. Tyler's checking it out. It's pretty nice inside. It's pretty special. You know, this car has the V12, over 600 horsepower. Really cool looking engine and all that. As you can see, the engine's right here, and the huge intake system, cold air intake or whatever, ram air, right there. Look at these crazy hinges on it. So basically, at the end of the day, Ed goes through everything that's wrong with it, and it's over $30,000 that the shop is quoting him for it, for everything that's wrong. Ed's not going to fix everything because he's not that rich, or dumb. So he's just going to fix what is necessary. Anyways, this is just a quick Hoovie update. Nothing too funny or interesting happened in this one. If you guys don't know Hoovie, he's a rich kid who grew up and then got on YouTube and got his own money. So he's lived a very blessed life his whole life. So you can't hate him for it. It is what it is. Kind of a funny guy. So thanks for watching, and I'll do a new car tuber coming up soon. Thanks. Bye.